We'll guide you through how to create invoices using Wix. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Wix dashboard. Look for the Finances tab on the left side menu and click it. This will open a submenu where you can find and click on Invoices. Now, you'll see an Create New Invoice button, usually at the top right corner. Click on that. You'll be prompted to enter the client information. If they are already in your contacts, you can just select them from the list. Otherwise, you'll need to enter their details manually. Next, you can add the items or services that you're billing for. Click Add Item and type in the description, quantity, and price. If you need to add multiple items, just repeat this step for each one. Wix will automatically calculate the total for you. Once you've entered all your items, you can set the terms of payment, like the due date and any late fees. It's also a good idea to review your invoice settings. Check that your business information is correct, and customize any notes or terms you want to include. After you have double-checked everything, click on Send Invoice. You can choose to send it directly through email from Wix or download a PDF version to send it manually. Wix also offers tracking, so you can see when your client views the invoice. This is a great feature to ensure your invoice has been received and is being processed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.